Alright y'all, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about decorating for a football party on a budget. Welcome to my channel. I am Sarah. I'm the founder of the Mommy Pockets, and you're watching one of my how-to holiday series. And today we are going to be talking about how to decorate for a football party on a budget. It is the beginning of football season and I am so excited for it. I don't know about y'all, but football is a really big deal in our house, and football parties are also always a lot of fun to throw. I'm going to show you exactly what I got and how I decorated for under $15. Now, everything that I got, including the food, the drinks, and everything like that, I think it came out to about around $50, and that included everything. So drinks, food, and decorations, $50 budget. You can throw a great party, have a great time, and still keep it under $100. Now I'm going to show y'all what I got as we move through the house, so that way you can see what I got and how I utilized it. So I can tell you right now, one of my biggest and favorite things to decorate any kind of celebration with is streamers. You can do so many things with streamers. I kept it really simple. It's a football party. People are drinking and having a good time and really focusing on the game. Aesthetically, you just want something really fun in the background going on and just kind of get that warm, fun fall feel. So that is what I went for with this decoration theme. And I cater to everybody. If you like wine and cheese, if you like, you know, the snacks, we've got Cheez-Its, we've got Reese's, we've got nachos, we've got wings, we've got a margarita station, we've got a drink station, we've got beer, and it's all under $50. So come on with me and I'll show you what we got. Okay y'all, so when your guests first enter, you really want the element of a football party, and that's exactly what I hope to give. It's not too much, it's not over the top, it's just enough to get the ambiance of a really great time. So let's begin. Now what we did is I used streamers, balloons, a tablecloth, plates, and then forks, knives, spoons, and cups. And as far as decorations, that's everything that I did, that I got for a football themed party. I decided to go with green and gold, or green and brown, because it's football and it's neutral. We are a very divided household. I am a Cowboys fan and he is a Niners fan. But yeah, so green and brown is a really great color to just keep it very neutral across the board for all parties involved. Now, let me show y'all all the stations and how I decorated everything. So over here, we're gonna have our wine and cheese dip tray and spread. It's very simple. You have your plates over here, and then you have your chips, and this is a really good, it's just cream cheese with a mango marmalade, and then we have our wine selection here with some cups. That's so good. And as you can see here, you see streamers. All I did was put some streamers down underneath, and it gives a nice, fun ambiance for football. This is our main snack table here. You can see this. We have our forks and knives. You've got your nacho platter. You've got plates. And here you've got your sweets, kind of just like a little grab, and your Cheez-Its. All great football options to snack on. So good. All you need is Tostitos, some fried beans, and Mexican finely shredded cheese. I promise your guests will love them. We haven't got the wings yet, but you were gonna have the wings already out and not freshly delivered. You'd probably want to put the wings right here. I would do that just to and have the nachos a little further in the back and then the wings right here, or vice versa, because the nachos are an appetizer and then the wings are usually like the main course. And since everyone is just kind of grabbing and nibbling as they go, that's gonna be your best way to just make sure everyone is having a good time and not having to worry about anything. Next, we have our margarita station. As you can see here, we have streamers. It just kind of takes away the backdrop, which is kind of my coffee station. Got everything set up for a perfect margarita. You've got your cups. We have lime, and I didn't actually put the salt and sugar in here, but I have a salt, sugar, and lime tray. You've got your shakers and jiggers, your tequila, your extras, and everything you could possibly need for a perfect margarita. So as y'all can see here, aesthetically, I just did gold and green just to keep it neutral. I got a gold can for the extra little fingers. This is fall, so it kind of just ties in with the fall theme. Then we have a nice football here just to kind of give it that little extra oomph since it is a football party. It's very simple, very fun, and it has a really exciting football vibe going on here. Last but not least, we have our drink station, or the beer station. We love Stone Rippers, so we just put a few beers out for it and some fresh cups, which obviously are green. So this is going to be our beer station. We'll refill as we go. Very simple, very fun and football. You've got all your choices for people who like tequila or want a hard drink, for people who want wine and cheese, for people who want some football snacks and beer and wings. You've got it all. And guess what, guys? It was under $50. It is so simple and so much fun to decorate. The streamer's up over here just to kind of give it a little extra. And guys, I had the extra streamer left over. I didn't even use all of my streamers. So with Christmas time coming around, I have the extra green streamer. That's a win. Now, I probably could have gone more out, but like I said, I like keeping it subtle and just still looking really fun. So I threw some balloons up just around randomly, got some balloons on the TV. I didn't put anything within child's reach. Last but not least, I did just kind of throw some green streamers up here, and we have this really fun football flag thing. But this is chalk, so I can actually erase this and write whatever I want. Of everything that I got, my chalk flag was the most expensive, and it was $2. Everything I got was under $2. So if you're worried about spending money, I will leave the list here at the end of everything that I got, how much it cost, and how you could do the exact same thing. Streamers are huge. Balloons add extra, and if you just tie everything in with a 2-color scheme, 2 or 3 max, you're gonna have a really fun, cute party for football. But y'all, this is very simple, very easy to do. It took me maybe 30 minutes to decorate, get ready, and that was it. So if y'all are looking for an easy, fun way to have a football themed party this season, here's your answer. As always, beautiful. Cheers.